The school of cursed with Ninja Pig, and I will be gone any second. I'm gone. You can't see me anymore. Now you can. Okay, we're gonna join Ninja Pig. Because you guys remember Ninja Pig. It's not actually Bridget or Cloudy, it's Ninja Pig. We're escaping school because who likes flipping school? Cheeseburgers. Okay, let's go. Wait, who's this? Oh, it's Ninja Pig. Hey, let's get out of here. Everyone else left and the teacher is sleeping. Why is the teacher sleeping in class? What the heck is this guy doing in a flippin' trash can? I can barely even see the rest of him. Okay, whatever, Ninja Pig. Where's the teacher sleeping? And there's an apple here. I want to take that. I can't? Are you kidding me? Shh, the teachers are talking. Go through the vent. Did you just say they were sleeping? Teacher, you should give more kids homework. Of course. I thought you guys were sleeping. No more. I can't even go to you. You guys are poisonous. I just heard an oof. Oh no. I just heard an oof. Oh no. Ninja Pig, if you're not through this, I just oofed. And I think Ninja Pig just oofed. Yup. Oof! Ah! Escape, I don't care about you, you liar. You said they were sleeping and then you said they're talking. What? Why is there liquid acid with a bunch of brooms and bottles everywhere? I don't even know if it's acid. Looks like he just mopped the floors. Yes, it really does. There's a deadly beast over here. Ninja Pig, can you destroy him? Because I'm adding him as a friend. If he accepts, my life will be... No. Ninja Pig said no, our teacher was asleep. Wait, party. Okay, I'll wait. Okay. Hold up, what's his name? Mo Salagia. Find me. No, that's it. I have to spell it right. Mo Sarah Jo Fred and me. Oh, he just exploded. I'm gonna go back for every... Hold up 1 sec. Ninja Pig fell over. Ninja Pig fell to his death. Okay, I'm just checking. Hold up, I'm just gonna help this guy, and then... I just exploded on him. But that's okay. Actually, it's not. We're gonna continue with the obby. Let me just set a timer again. Okay, let's go. Spread it. Now I'm gonna say, friend me. Oh no, I'm coming. Looks like he didn't mop very good. water's poisonous? It really did not mop good. Ew. I'm here. I'm here. Which locker is it? I don't know. You're the principal. Actually, you're not the principal. You're just another student. You see, I'm no servant. Yeah. Oh. Chief, Ninja Pig has. Oh. Ninja Pig found it. Remember, face reveal? One person has to say face reveal. Let's go. The vet! Ah! Gosh, what is wrong with this school? Oh, Ninja Pig just moved up. Hard times, I tell you. I didn't even touch it! No! Teleport me. What? No! How did that kill me? Buh. Oh, good point. Ninja Pig's got them ninja skills. I could just die. That's a good strategy. No, but actually... Who is calling me? Ah, I can't move. What just happened? That was crazy. Okay. Ninja Pig, how do you do this? Oh my gosh, that guy just exploded right in front of my face. Oh, let's go. Okay, let's go. Oh, she exploded. Whoa, why is there like a dragonfly in front of me? I'm friending this guy. Ooh, if he accepts, that'll make my day. Oh, I pushed her. Whoops. Which? It's the right. It's the very right. Here, Bridget. Wait, you're not Bridget. I keep getting confused by your account. Sorry. Ninja Pig. Him. Sorry, Ninja Pig. Wait, Cloudy. I called him Bridget and then Cloudy. It's Ninja Pig. I haven't played with Ninja Pig that much. Sorry, Ninja Pig. Jump if you're okay. I just did that to get ahead of you. Ew! Looks like someone flooded the bathrooms. Who was it, Johnny? Ew, yeah. I think Johnny flooded the bathrooms, and you're Johnny, the dragonfly dude. He flooded the bathtubs. We all exploded. Like that. Guys, I'm about to be done with the video in 4 minutes, so we gotta get through as much as we can. A girl almost pushed me off. How dare you? Detention now. I wonder how detention is like in this world. There's pencils. Big giant deadly pencils. Yeah. Looks like there was a class in here. Let's get out of here before the class comes. Okay. Oh gosh! Basketballs hurt even when you touch them, guys, today. Yeah. Ninja Pig. Hold up. Ninja Pig wants to tell me something. Okay. Ninja Pig just wanted to tell me, remember he types through and then deletes it. He wanted to tell me that there'll be a part 2, but on Ninja Pig's page. Yeah, she pushed me. He pushed me. And yes, you did. Yes. I was on an eraser and Ninja Pig. Show me your ninja skills. Let's go. Okay, there's a good ninja skill. Look at that. I'm lucky I made that. Ow, you pushed me! I'm getting cold again! Ah! Holy rackamoles! Ew! Guys, I'm crazy right now. I am absolutely... Whoa, you're getting tired. Wake up, I'm not tired. Clearly, I'm not tired. Okay, maybe I am tired. Guys, we have about 1 minute left. The second part will be on our channel, on Ninja Pigs. Ninja Pig will be, it will be in Ninja Pig's point of view, but you'll still see me. And we're not gonna end it now. We still have a little bit of time. Okay. Never mind. There will not be part 2. There will not be a part 2. Because when Ninja Pig comes out those doors, we're gonna run. I'm gonna start running home because we only got 1 minute left. Come on, Ninja Pig, let's go. We escaped school. Yes. Yeah, I'm a gummy bear. You're not a gummy bear. Tummy bear. Tummy bear. Yeah. Let's go! Timer's over. We'll try and make it over there. We have to try. Here, guys, I think that's good enough. We basically made it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. If you want to see more content like this, then subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, give me ideas on like a new recorder because this one's really laggy. So give me ideas. So I hope you did. So goodbye. Give me ideas for a new recorder.